Hi friends, I'm Beth and I'm back with another episode of How I'm Doing It. I ordered an Ancestry DNA kit online for my birthday. So let's get into it. I'm going to show you the process from start to finish. One thing the kit makes very clear from the very beginning when you open it is that you must activate your kit with a special code that is found inside online. See, it says activate your kit. There's different ways you can do it, but that is critical to receiving your results. If you skip that step, then you're not going to get your results, and then what's the point? Then I have to spit in this tube to this black wavy line. I'm not going to do that on camera. I think it'll be kind of gross to watch, but it'll be great to do. So yeah, I'm going to turn off the camera to do that. Okay, so I finished filling up the little tube with my spit. And then I put the special cap on it, which released a preservative to stabilize the solution until it arrives at the processing facility. It says it may take 6 to 8 weeks once it arrives at the facility, so we'll have to be patient. But in the meantime, once you finish with the tube and close it up, then you put it in this collection bag and you mail it off in their pre-addressed mailer. I have already activated my special code online, so they'll have my special code on this tube and in my account online on the website, and then we'll see what happens once they process it and tie it all together and give me a result back.